Yeah, the puppies are on a romp. The aqua ribbon is Gilly. Purple is Marjorie. Red is Sansa. Pink is Daenerys, also known as Dany. Yellow is Jon Snow, also known as Johnny. Green is Gilly. And white is Cersei. Did I get those mixed up? There's Sansa. And Dany. Purple is Marjorie. There goes Brienne in the blue. I like to call her the Wanderer. She's got a lot more curiosity than most. Maybe a little more maturity. Oh, the green is Arya. There we go. Arya. Whoa, what's going on here? Puppy, puppy, puppy. Hi, Sansa. Yeah. Little John. You stay over there, Sansa. In the video. Atta girl. Yeah, they're looking for Mom. She's waiting here patiently till I finish the video. Yeah, they're hungry. Okay. Mom's on the way. That's Marjorie in the purple. And Daenerys in the pink. There's Sansa with the red. Little, are you the one whining so much there? There's little Jon Snow. Oh, that's Marjorie with the voice. Yep, she's very outspoken. Here's Aqua, which is Gilly. Green is Arya. I can't say that name. Okay, white, you can hardly see her ribbon there. Tough girl. That's Cersei. And the Wanderer is Brienne. She's always on an adventure. Here she comes. Come on, Brienne. Mom's over here.